Hey guys, Mr. Carey here. Today we're going to be working on our nines times tables. The order we do them in kind of jumps around. I'm not sure exactly where we're doing nines next, but don't worry, it's actually a pretty cool one and it's some pretty mind-blowing things at the nines, okay? Pretty neat times tables to work with, and there's actually a trick that's going to take you a few days, but once you get it, nines it might be even easier than twos for you. It's super simple. Okay, so skip counting by nines, and don't worry, listen, you might not get this totally today. Don't worry about it. You'll get it. We're gonna do this for 3 days, so you will be just fine. Okay, so the skips. So here's how nines go. They go like this: 9, 18, 27. I want you to notice a pattern. The ones are going to go down one, and the tens are going to go up one. 36, see how it's like 2, 3, but then 7, 6. 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, and then 99, and 108. Now the last two, you're going to have to memorize, okay? There's no trick for those. Those are just going to have to know 9 times 11 is 99, and 9 times 12 is 108. Those are two you're just going to have to memorize. Now, this is pretty cool stuff. If you have a piece of paper, I'll give you a second. Get a piece of paper and a pencil to write with. Or pause the video for a second. Grab a piece of paper and a pen. Because I got something that's really cool. I had a student a few years ago show me this, and it was pretty mind-blowing because I didn't know this, and I wish I knew this when I was in 3rd grade because I had a hard time with the nines. This is called the down-up strategy. So if you're ever having a nines problem or you're doing a bunch of nines problem, this is pretty cool. If you can write the number 0 to 9 down and then 0 to 9 up, you'll have all the nines times tables just like that. Check it out, watch this. So I go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Then, if I go, let me zoom in actually. So what I did was I went 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now I'm going to do 0 to 9 back up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you do 0 to 9 and 0 to 9, guess what you got? You got all your skip counts. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 7, 63. 9 times 8, 72. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 10, 90. And then 9 times 11, you just have to remember, like I said, 9 times 11, 99. And 9 times 12, 108. Okay, pretty cool. It's pretty neat that works, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, and it works pretty good. Now, the next thing that I want to show you is really, really cool. There's something called the fingers trick, okay? So let me get you over here, zoomed in. So I drew some hands. Sorry about the artwork, not my finest work, but not terrible. And there's actually a trick with the nines where if you use your fingers, your nines times tables will be there. So what the rule is when you're doing 9 times 4, you always start on your left pinky, okay? And then you go over, you put a finger down. Now the rule is any finger, the finger that goes down, anything to the left of that finger counts as 10. Anything to the right of the finger counts as 1. So let me show you. So you see here, say I had to do 9 times 4. If you put down like your 4th finger, see like this, you start with the left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, put it down. Everything to the left of that counts as 10. So check this out. 10, 20, 30. everything to the right counts as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 30 and 6, or 36. So in real life, your hands, let me show you, I always show a little trick. I always tell the kids, put a piece of tape or something on your finger to make sure you're starting at the right spot. So I put on my left pinky is where we're starting. And I just say, okay, 9 times 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I put that one down. Everything to the left counts as 10. 10, 20, 30. And everything to the right counts as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 36. Pretty cool, right? So say I had to do 9 times 5. So then I go count over to your 5th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one goes down, right? So the rule is everything to the left counts as 10. So 1, 2, 3, so 40. And everything to the right counts as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 45. So let me show you on my hand. So say I was doing 9 times 5. I go down to 5th finger, starting at your pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put it down. So I have 45. 45. Or say I was doing 9 times 8. So again, I start with my left pinky. See how this finger is down? It's the 8th finger. I count over 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That finger's down. So these are 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And these guys are 1s, too. So 72. So what would that look like in real life? You go 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 72. Cool, right? So this is the trick. So what I want to do is I'll model some for you with my hands and see if you can figure this out. There's a couple tricks though you have to make sure you do, all right? One, make sure your hands are backwards to you, okay? So your hands, you have to be looking at the back of your hands, not the bottom of your hands, the back of your hands. And then you have to make sure you start your left pinky. So say I had to do 9 times 3. I go 1, 2, 3, put it down. Everything over here counts as 10. So 10, 20. Everything over here counts as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27. Or say I had to do 9 times 9. I count over, starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I count, all these are 10, so I have 8 10s and 1 1. 81. Or say I had to do 9 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 10, so it's 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything to the left is 10, everything to the right is 1. Say I had to do 9 times, I don't know, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all 10, so 70, 7 10s, 2. Okay? So practice this, play around with it. So here's what I want you to do. Spend a few minutes, grab mom or dad, grandma, your cat, whoever wants to work some math with you, all right? And focus on these skips. So do the up-down thing, write these down. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. Write these down and then practice. And the only ones that don't work on the fingers is times 11 and times 12, and they never will. So those you just have to memorize. But so take your hands and you should be looking at them like, I like looking at my hands when I'm doing it for myself. I like looking down at my hands or out at my hands and say, okay, 9 times 4, put your 4th finger down, start your left finger and say 36 and check and make sure it works. 9 times 5, okay, 45 and make sure it works. And what I like to do too is when I do the 10s, I can say like 40 and then I wiggle 5. and that should work. It's going to take a little getting used to and playing around with, but it works, and you will be, before you know it, in 2 days or 3 days, you will be like 63, 54, and you're just going to get them real quick. So the fingers are pretty cool. So play around with it, practice it. Make sure you're starting your left pinky and using the back of your hand. Watch the video again if you need to. Write down your skips. I'll send you a picture of the chart too, to your Google Classroom, and you should be good. All right. Good luck, and listen, don't panic. This is going to take a few days. You're going to go to your parents, maybe like, I don't get it. I don't get it. Don't worry. This is one of those things where it's going to take a few days, and once you get it, you'll have it. If you have an older brother or sister, have them show you this, okay? Have them show you exactly how it works, okay? And the other trick is when you're working with somebody, make sure you're not sitting across from them because it looks backwards then. So you have to be sitting next to them so that you're looking at their hands the right way. Because if it's sitting opposite, it's like reverse, like a mirror. All right? Good luck, guys. You got this.